Welcome and thank you for your interest. My name is David Sally and I am a financial advisor. If you've made it to this point, there's a high probability you are a business owner and you're in the realm of where you have been or are starting to pay high taxes. Maybe your business has been going for a while, maybe you're just starting out, but either way you've gotten to the point where at the end of each year, when you do your taxes, the amount you're paying, and you're probably paying quarterly by now, costs you quite a bit. I'm here to present you with some tax advantage programs, and I'm even going to review one strategy in detail right now that I currently use. You do have several options available to you and your company depending on what your goals are. There are some strategies just for you, and if you're a solo business owner and you're at the point where you need something just for yourself. If you're at a point where you're considering providing additional benefits to your employees, there are options available for that too. Although a 401k is very popular, it is not your only option. So a little bit about me. I am a fully licensed financial advisor. Every financial advisor who is licensed is listed on FINRA Broker Check. Please feel free to check me out there. The reason I mention this is because I also have my Series 66 license, which makes me a fiduciary. For those of you who do not know what that is, it means that I have a fundamental obligation to act in the best interests of my clients. To be honest, it's something I do anyway. It's a requirement I have always put on myself. It's just who I am, and truthfully, it's how I was raised. So yes, it means that you, the client, and your best interests will come first. So enough about me, let's get into some strategies, and even one strategy I said I would review in further detail. A great tool for individual business owners is called a SEP IRA. This stands for Simplified Employee Plan. This enables you to put away 25% of your salary in a tax advantage account. For example, let's say you're in a 30% tax bracket and you made $100,000 this year. You can put $25,000 in an account that provides an immediate tax break. How does this affect your taxes? Well, you now only pay taxes on the $75,000 instead of the $100,000. That's a $7,500 difference in taxes for that year, thus reducing your tax burden for the year. This is something you can do every year. So yes, this is a vehicle in which you can potentially put away more than $50,000 a year in an immediate tax advantage account, giving you the benefits right now. What's the catch? You will have to pay taxes when you pull the money out at 59 and a half or older when you're in retirement. The advantage is that you're in a higher tax bracket now than you should be in retirement, thus saving you money over time. Everything in the account is allowed to grow tax deferred, so any dividends and capital gains are able to compound their interest. You are able to contribute to this account monthly, or if you want to do a one-time annual contribution. It is a great tool to use in conjunction with your accountant too, because they can help determine your maximum benefit you can put in. There are other tools available to you as well, including but not limited to a 401k, a solo 401k, simple IRA, IRA and Roth IRAs. There are also a lot of insurance products available that have some income advantages upon retirement. What I tell my clients is that this is a process. The selection of one of these vehicles is a process. What may be the best for you may not be a fit for another. What I also tell my clients is we will get the right vehicle and we will get the lowest costing one when possible. That is the goal, the one that is the most suitable for you with minimal cost. For those who desire to go above and beyond what these retirement vehicles have to offer, there are additional options available, some tax advantage and some are not. Some insurance products that may also function as retirement vehicles. That is definitely a conversation to be had on an individual level, as not all products are suitable for all people's individual situations. As I've said, one piece of free advice that I would give out was the SEP IRA. So why not simply do this on your own? Now that I've provided you with this information, why do you need me or any other financial advisor? You can open one up at any brokerage house, online, or wherever. So you're probably asking yourself right now, what value do I bring to you? Well, some of you may already know or may have guessed it. 1. As you heard me say earlier, there are many tax advantage strategies available to you, and I can help you pick the most suitable one. 2. Once the money's been put into the account, you will need investments inside of the account for the money to grow. If you thought there are a lot of options available for accounts, there are many, many more investment options available to you, just like account types. Some will not be a fit for you. This is where I help. This is where I provide value to you, not just on initial investment selection, but consistently reviewing your financial situation and the appropriate strategies. So, if this is something of interest to you, and you're going to do it on your own, then by all means go do it. But if you feel this is an opportunity for you, and you want a professional approach, then please feel free to contact me. One of the ways you can do this is to simply click the link on this page, and you will be afforded the opportunity to book a phone call with me directly. I hope this was of value to you, and I hope it points you in the right direction, and I look forward to the opportunity to speaking with you soon.